Hello, my name is Samantha Lane and I'm a second-year animal science major, specifically the pre-veterinary option. I'm also a Smittcamp Family Honors Scholar. When I first received the phone call about Smittcamp, it went to voicemail, and I still have that voicemail because it's a reminder of the moment that my life changed for the better. Because of the Smittcamp scholarship, instead of worrying about my student debt, I can focus on other aspects, like extracurriculars. Here at Fresno State, I'm a part of the Bulldog Packing Club or Mule Packing Club, where I currently serve as treasurer. This Smittcamp scholarship also enables me to focus on gaining hands-on experience. Veterinary schools require a lot of hours, and I'm very proud to say I just started interning or volunteering with a local large animal clinic. But I recognize that if it weren't for the Smittcamp scholarship, I would not be able to focus as much on interning and gaining those experiences that help further my education. I'm very grateful for all the doors that the Smittcamp scholarship has opened for me, and I look forward to being able to pay it forward for the next round of Smittcamp scholars. Thank you!